Hi, I'm Chong, project leader for wastewater treatment using 3D printed absorbent at University of Nottingham, Malaysia. Our team has won more than 7 international awards and Vice Chancellor Medal related to 3D printed monolith grafted with functional materials for the past 2 years. We are diving into the innovative world of wastewater treatment. Imagine a future where clean water is accessible to all. We have to thanks to the advancement in 3D printing. Wastewater pollution is a global crisis with harmful contaminants threatening our ecosystem and public health. Conventional treatment methods are often costly and ineffective, especially towards wastewater with color from the dye industry or palm oil industry. Entering 3D printing technology, a game changer in the field of sustainable solutions. 3D printing allows for the precise fabrications of complex structure, customizable designs, superior performance, and reusable with endless possibilities. Our innovative approach involving grafting functional materials onto 3D printed monoliths. This technique enhances the surface properties and area for absorptions of the monolith and make it effective in treating wastewater and enhancing pollutant removal, including color. Visit us at University of Nottingham, Malaysia to learn how to do 3D printing and grafting with my research group and how you can get involved in promoting sustainable solutions using technology.